So we in the mall, and I'm basically looking for my homecoming dress, and I decided to vlog for you guys, show you guys me searching for my homecoming dress because I don't know what I want to wear. But we in Dillard. There is, excuse me, this one's cute. I really like the lace vibes. There's that one. Oh, this is current, but this is more like prom, not homecoming. Ross. Dress for lace. What kind of dresses they got? I'm already not liking them. They're really ugly. Don't come to Ross if you're looking for dresses because they're really ugly. These dresses, like, they got all these dresses. And they just ugly. Like, no offense if y'all get y'all dresses from Ross, but this is cute though. They got some cute clothes. This is a dress. That's cute. That's $29.99. That ain't no homecoming dress. We got that drip drip, got that super soaker. But anyway, if y'all want to know how I did my hair, y'all go watch my last video. Ain't up yet, but by the time this vlog is up, it's gonna be up. It's gonna be, I don't know. I think I called it a corset bun or whatever. But go check it out. It'll be in the description box below because it's really cute. And tag me if y'all did the hairstyle because, like, I really want to see y'all do it. It's cool. We in Belk. They're having a clearance blowout. Okay, so come save your little coins at Belk. They only got homecoming dresses online. Like, I don't understand why people want to order dresses online. How you know if it fit right? I would not do that. That's so stupid. All right, y'all. Don't mind Jesus. He's sitting here blessing the video. But they barely had any stores in the mall that had any like type of prom dresses or homecoming dresses or anything like that. So now we're going to JCPenney's because I don't know. I'm only going to homecoming this year. I'm going to prom my senior year because I don't want to go to them both in the same year because that's honestly too much. Because prom costs a lot. They got sales here. Look, let's see all these yellow signs. Look, Mom, they got this. They got sales. This is what we need. Okay. So here's dress number 1. This is how it looks. I hate this little line in this mirror. Yeah. Man. Here's this one. I don't think the blue part fits. And in the back, I can't zipper it. So yeah, that's this one. Okay, here's the last one. I really can't fit. Well, like zipper this one again. So,
yeah, you can't even like it's more orange.
Alright, y'all, so it's day 2. I'm back in JCPenney's to get a dress because I didn't get it yesterday. Yeah, I'm coming back to pick the one that I liked, and my hair is done different. That's a little sneak peek. Like, look, 2 different colors. But yeah, let me find it. I feel like a ballerina. Okay. And my mom loop. Gotta make sure it's dance approved, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I'm done. I'm not putting this. I don't like any of them. I'm not telling you which one I got. It's not those though. I'm not telling you which one I got. You gotta wait till my homecoming below.